So we got the timing cover, and basically the timing cover, we replaced all these seals here. So we got this one replaced for the main seal. We replaced these seals here for the variable valve timing solenoids. Variable valve solenoids. These right here. And these are where the sensors go for the other camshaft sensors. There's 4 of us. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a gasket here. One of those gaskets you have to push into the groove. And I think that's pretty much it. Here's the bolts. You have the outliers. So there's the 18 millimeter, 13 millimeter, 10 millimeter, another 10 millimeter. This one happens to be a little longer than the rest of them. You can see that here. It's longer. That one goes right here. When we flip it over, it'll be on this side. The rest, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we have 20 bolts right here. And then we have a few more here. And there'll be some more bolts for the tensioner and things like that. Some of it mounts on here. But for the most part, this is for the timing cover right here. And the silicone I'm going to use are the RTV. I could use orange or black Permatex, and that would probably work just fine. I've never really had issues with those. But I've been starting to kind of like this product here. It's a Toyota packing, seal packing 103 FIPG. That means form in place gasket. The reason I like this is because I saw some reviews on the YouTube comparing the different RTVs, and this one seems to be one of the better sealants that they have out there. I think Honda makes a good one too, Honda Bond, but this one's a form in place gasket, and they sell this on Amazon, or you can get this at the dealership. But if you buy it at the dealership, you're going to pay twice as much as you would as if you bought it on Amazon. And the part number for that is 00295-00103. And there's some more part numbers, but that's what it is right there. So I'm going to open one of these up, and I've used this one before on another car, so we'll see if it's still good. If it's not, I'll use this brand new pack. But we'll use that if I run out of this one. And this one I have almost a full tube. I didn't use too much of it, so I'm not really worried about it. Oops.
Don't touch me, I'm sterile.
I'm gonna get my gloves on. Since it is RTV, it can get a little messy. And there's a groove here. There's these grooves, little channels. And we're going to put RTV in all these little channels. And we're going to put it all over the place, but we're going to also make sure that it's in the channel. RTV will go all the way around here, around here, around here, all the way around here, around right there, and around here, and a little bit around here too, and here and here. So we're gonna do that, and then I'll come back and I gotta grease these seals so that when I put them on, they don't go on dry. So here's the RTV. gonna squeeze it. Try to squeeze it much. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's good. Still pliable. So here's the thing. We're gonna put this and start off over here in the corner. Quite a bit of it, but I also want to make sure it seals, because the last thing I need is it leaking and doing all this work only to find out it's leaking and only to have to take it all the back apart to redo it. So make sure you get a good amount on there. Let's see if I can use that little maybe that's what that's for. Jeez, okay. Looks like the toothpaste bottle. After trying to use it too many times, I'm trying to squeeze every little ounce you can. Okay, I think that one's done. We're gonna open up our second RTV. Yeah, some people are gonna sit there and say, "Oh, you could have used one and overdoing it, blah blah blah." And but I want to make sure it don't leak, so that's why I'm doing it. different. It's different, but yeah. Okay. Okay. We'll see. I think that might be ready. Seems pretty tacky. Tacky, but not too bad. Yeah, it might be ready. Okay, so now we're ready to install the timing cover. I try to get you in a good view to kind of see it going on. Okay. Oh, sh**. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Okay, we don't want to tighten it down yet. Just going to get everything started. Okay, good. The 18mm socket. Where else? We can put a bolt right here. Okay. Should be one way over here in the back. Grab another one there. One way down here. Here. Ten millimeters right here. Okay, and I got my screw and the extra long one that goes right here. Okay, and we still got more screws we gotta put in. God damn. Okay. There's the other one. It's a hole right here. I can get that. Okay, got it. Okay, I got it. Okay. One right here. Oh, I got it. There's two right here. One there, one there. 10 millimeter. Okay. Okay. And let's see, I got one more I'm missing. I'm missing one bolt. Now I might put the water pump on and we'll see if I'm actually missing a bolt or not. Okay. Let's see. Here's the water pump. And we have one bolt left. I think it goes on the water pump, but I don't know yet. So I want to assemble it and we'll find out. I think, let's see, these, it's the water pump gasket. How did that go? That. Okay. Okay, so there, okay, there it is. There's the extra. There's the mystery bolt right here. I don't know why. I thought it didn't go there. I don't know. You go now. You go now. Okay, let's get in. Get that one out of there. Let's put that one in there and that one in the other place. That one in there. And this one in here. Let's try that. Stops there. Oh, I know. Okay, I know. I know, that's why that doesn't go there. Because it goes here. That's for the tensioner. And that might be for the tensioner too, I don't know. No, that's the water pump. There's one here. I'm missing one. Okay, here's the tensioner. There's 2 bolts on this. And I believe, or actually 3 bolts. 1 in the center and 2 on the sides. This one, I believe it goes, well, we'll find out. I know it goes right there. Where's it go? Okay, like that. Like that, okay. Okay. So let's pull this ball out. Shit, which one is it again? Oh, that one, okay. The top one, this guy here. That goes here.